Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jai Smith.
And I'm Sarah Diamond. We'll have more on those stories in just a moment. But first tonight, opening statements began today in the federal corruption trial for Bristol, Virginia Utilities Chief Financial Officer.
Stacey Pomrenke is accused of several crimes, including conspiracy and fraud. Those charges are part of the BVU federal corruption case. Allie Hines has been in federal court in Abingdon all day long, and she joins us live with the latest.
Yeah, guys, we're here outside the federal courthouse. We're just after lunch today. After we got back from that recess, the U.S. attorney approached the judge before the jury had come in and said that it had come to his attention during that time that Stacey Pomrenke, the chief financial officer at BVU, had contact with witnesses after they were subpoenaed for this trial, which is against her bond agreement, letting her out of jail for this time. It said that she contacted, the U.S. attorney said she contacted by email 5 witnesses regarding the issue of her master's degree. Now, what this issue is about, to give you a little background, is the U.S. government alleges that Stacey has on her resume for BVU that she received a master's degree from Virginia Tech, when in actuality she didn't. And they actually called a witness to the stand today from Virginia Tech, the registrar, who said Stacey did not actually receive a master's degree from Virginia Tech. So that's what she was trying to clear up with these witnesses, according to the government in her email. The government asked for her to be sanctioned and for the government to be allowed to bring up the fact that she said she had a master's degree on her resume when she didn't. The judge said he would take up this issue on a later date. So for now, the jury cannot know that she falsified this information on her resume. And the government, like I said, wasn't allowed to show jurors that information today. The former interim CEO, Mike Bundy, also testified, as well as a BVU employee who worked under Pomrenke. Both testified to the fact that they got cash bonuses, and the employee said he did not report those on his tax return. Basically, the government is alleging Pomrenke of tax fraud, bribery, and conspiracy and extortion. I'll have more on what went on in opening statements this morning coming up at 6. For now, reporting live in Abingdon, Allie Hines, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Allie Hines has been in the courtroom all day. She'll have a live report, like she said, coming up tonight at 6 o'clock.